So we see Freddie McGregor, Agent Sasko, and a couple of other people as it relates to not being nominated for the Grammy. I meant the tune and say, all pirates, yes, they rabbi. Sold I to the merchant ships, minutes after they took I from the bottomless pit. Yeah, that's what I mean. I said. Though, I mean, news broke that a part of the selection committee for the Grammy nomination is Ziggy Marley's wife. You understand? And if that is not a conflict of interest, then I don't know what a conflict of interest is. You understand me? I say, we seen where Ziggy has came out swinging. I say, yo, him not seen a bias in anything. You understand me? I say, but that is basically coming out to say, yo, George W. Bush didn't become president because his father was previously president and that helped. Or the Kennedys never benefit from them generation in a politics before and them something. You understand me? I say, but if Bob was around, Bob would them say, Ziggy, stop take the people them for a fool because you have to have Rasta. Else it not go nice. You dig with me and say skip so far. Stephen sees no Marley bias in Reggae Grammy. Stephen Marley has a classic reply to the Sunday's Gleaner suggestion that may be a sentiment that once a Marley is nominated for a Grammy award in the reggae category, the other nominees can forget about winning. What you do from Bolt in the race? He asked rhetorically. You run the race. What happened? You don't come out of the race. You run the race. You understand? I mean, like our work speak for itself. And we not try impress no one or nothing like that. You hear gang say, when you're hungry, boy, they make your brother be your enemy from ambush in the night. I don't want to get drawn into them kind of vibes where all ones where you look up to and supposed to a command and help along. Come in and help along. You feel like you're in a position to compete. So you have to defend yourself. I not in that. And we don't make music for win trophy. We know that. Out of your integrity and your art. But at the same time, we know the work and experience we put in the music. And no guy can take that from we either. So no, I don't think the Grammy is biased. Definitely, I think we deserve every accolade what we get, Stephen said, laughing. Yeah, and definitely others deserve as well, of course. No question about that. But what me I gotta say, of course my music deserve to be in the category nominated and win if it win. Marley says emphatically. Any perception of bias apart, Marley has deeper concern about the Reggae Grammy and how it should be approached by those who would take issue with it. Us here, if this Grammy thing is so important to we, then educate yourself and find out where we do wrong when you talk about the Marleys and the whole who do this and who do that. We are still part of the backbone of this thing here, he said. The Sunday Cleaner asked Stephen to clarify the way and he exclaimed emphatically, Marley and the family, how you mean? You know how long me a burn the fire from 1979 and tell me I burn it to the dog. Me leave school 2 o'clock for go rehearsal, 3:10, go home. You do your homework, go to your bed. What you ask man? No man can't take them thing there from what he said. Nobody not try to take them thing there from the still Stephen because we don't want to put in the word. You understand what I say? But in all honesty, if you're going to be objective about the thing, you can't sit down and tell me say there is no hint of bias in the Grammy thing. You understand what I say? And I like, here is a pedestal. No, we go through it as little youth, same way. I work on the same stage as the father. International years of the child. We go on 7 o'clock. The gun go on at 11. We have worked our way into this. Light Parks and them people are back way up. It wasn't no joke. It wasn't because of who we were. it was because we deserved that position. Yeah. Stephen made it clear that Bob did not give his children an easy path. My father definitely wasn't one where you are going to make the team through him as the coach. As a matter of fact, everybody run 10 laps, you run 15. I saw him stay, so trust me, we go through it. Me no doubt that. So why nobody can take them things there from we. Mine how you call up a name too. Just low our name out of the thing, right? Low our name out of them thing there. God bless. Yo, Steve, I take a thing for a bad level. The nominees for the 2017 Grammy Award in the reggae category are Devin the Doctor and JL for Sly and Robbie Present, Reggae for Her, J-Boo for Rose Petals, Ziggy Marley for Ziggy Marley, Raging Fire for Everlasting, Revolution for Falling Into Place, and Soldier for Soldier, live in Virginia. Since the Reggae Grammy was introduced, Black Huro winning in 1985 with Anthem. Members of the Marley family started winning in 1989 with Ziggy Marley and the Melody Makers, Conscious Party. The most recent win was Ziggy Marley with Fly Rasta in 2015, and Stephen's most recent solo win was with Revelation Part 1, The Root of Life in 2012.
Let me preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach, beat and teach.
So peeps, me personally not have a thing against Marley. See, me not really listen to Ziggy and Stephen like that. Me listen to Stephen if him collab with the gang. You understand me? I say because Damien are one of my artists. You understand? I think one of the most complete artists that in the business alongside Sizzla and Agent Sasko. You understand me? I say. However, I mean, even the blind can see say you are at a disadvantage if you're going up against the Marleys for Grammy. I mean, a facts. You say me the pan, whether them deserve it, yes or no, you are at a disadvantage. The odds are against you when you are competing with the Marleys for the Grammy. Say me the pan, none of the album them where the Marley them win, Grammy win, I never really listen apart from the ones that Junior Gang has won with. You understand? And I think when Junior Gang win, every time he win, him deserve win. However, this year, as I say, the only album I really listen out of them 1 year is Raging Fire's album. See me? I think, I don't listen to all of Freddie album, I listen to some of the songs them, but the album that I really sat and gave time to was Theory of Forgettivity by Agent Sasko. I think the album that deserved to be nominated and by all accounts deserve to win the Grammy. And see, the man look get it. So I say still, this is not about Agent Sasko or Freddie McGregor, this is about reggae music. And my thing say, there is some form of favorite tag on the Marleys when the Grammy comes around. Like it or hate it, a facts. You understand me? I say you can debate this. Stephen I run with some people. Him can debate it from now till tomorrow. The records are there to show. See me the pan. So it will continue, you know, go stop. I can't tell you say you know go stop. And you can't really fault them still, you know. I mean Bob a legend and for you say Bob, you see me I say Bob Youths. You don't know your father name help you carry you through the world. I just saw your thing set up. You understand me? I say if me go somewhere with my surname and me I try to get something done against a Matalan or a Azan or one of them man there, my thing now will come through as quick as them man there thing. I just saw your thing set up. You understand? We can't debate that. I fax that. So we are so going for next year still. So me I say Freddie go and hold it. Sasko go and hold it. See it saying. Oh.
Remember to like, share, subscribe. This is Steve saying, until next time, walk good.